Hi everyone, greetings from joylot.com. I'll be demonstrating Persol sunglasses, Model-Typewriter-Edition, 3108S, color code 1144B1. The whole of the frame is blue, silver, and the lenses are gray. They have a round shape. On its temples, you'll find the Persol logo, and it can also be found on its nose pads and on one of its temple tips, and it's made in Italy. 49 is for its lenses, 22 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temple. The glasses come with a box, a case which color and style may vary, a cleaning cloth, and card of authenticity. Thank you for watching and have a joyful day.